everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ben here. Now in today's video guys, I want to take you along with me to this car show taking place in the city of Calgary. It's called Show and Shine. So basically what's happening, we have a car show of vintage and the classic cars. So come along with me and let's have a look. So we just got to the parking lot. It looks full already. So this is where we're going to. It's taking place at the KMS Tool and Equipment. I believe they sell car equipment in here, but that's not where we're going to. So that's just a shop, and we're making our way to the show. So there is a live band playing as well at the same time. And let's have a look and see what's going on. Where did you see it? Oh yeah. That's 1934. That's 37. Yeah.
start giving out awards for the nicest vehicles that we got here today. Thanks again for all of you showing up. Give yourselves
Check
a
out
good
this
round of
one here.
applause. Awesome looking vehicles. Thank you again for coming into our 6th annual show and shine here at KMS Tools.
Okay, we only have 10 minutes left before we go to the other place. When we're done, then we may come back again. It's okay, stay here, stay here. Yeah. Yeah, this is the same as the other one we just seen. Yeah.
I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs, world is gonna see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake, whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste, now that I've been wide awake. Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going in my head from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got
Oh, check this out. Let's have a look at this one here. This is something.
Is this a what toy?
Yeah.
This is a
1930. This is a classic car. It's called a classic car.
Oh, I've seen these toys before.
So this one is leaving now.
Daddy,
Leaving a room for another car to come and park.
Daddy,
Yeah? Keep going. Go this way.
Daddy.
Yeah?
I need to show you something.
That's too long. Look at the tail. Ooh, this is my favorite car. Look at this one here, boys.
Firebird. Firebird.
Yeah.
It says Firebird. Look at this Mustang.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that car.
Mm-hmm.
That car looks
Can you
so
believe
cool.
it?
Look at it. Just look at it.
Look at this tire. We're coming back for that one after.
Hmm?
We're coming back for that car after. Let's record this one here first. Ooh, check this. Yeah, that's a Chevy. Check it out.
But it's a Chevrolet.
Yeah, I know.
So why did you say Chevy?
Yeah, that is short for Chevy. It's for Chevrolet. It's a way to say
Call me, and you can call me bro too.
Chevy is short for Chevrolet.
Yeah, and you can call me bro too.
Okay, come check this out.
Huh?
Check this out now.
Whoa.
Wait.
Daddy,
Yeah.
you can call me bro.
No, you're not my bro. I can't. Move back this way. And wait. Check this out. Look at the size of the tire. I love the rim, yeah?
Yeah.
That's a customized tire. It's huge. Huh?
What does it say? Does it say Mitch?
I don't know. That's so special. Yeah.
Because it's so
See this one here, you can actually take off the steering wheel. See the steering wheel there on the seat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay guys, that's it for today. So we had fun. That was the Show and Shine car show in Calgary. You've seen some cool vintage and classic cars. That was it. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So this is it. Take care and see you next time, guys.